Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today another trade recap and another loss. As you can see right here, today, Wednesday, October 29th, 29th. I took one trade, lost it right away, and it was I took the risk was a bit lower than usual. I normally take very low risk trades right now because I want to improve my psychology. And what happened was basically my usual risk is I aim for like 0.12%, but today I went for a bit less, which was 0.07, as you can see right here on the left side. This is the where my stop loss was placed. And then above here you can see that I actually took the trade. So yeah, I de-risked a bit, and the reason was we had FOMC today. Right here, as you can see, FOMC's federal funds raise, FOMC statement, FOMC press conference. So we had high impact news on the evening, and then we also had pending home sales at 15. So these were all kind of like things that made me de-risk a bit, and also the trade itself made me de-risk a bit. Why? Because the confluences that I got wasn't really that good. I shouldn't have taken this trade at all, actually. And there was like more than one reason to go into that right away. So this was the trade that I took, as you can see right here, and this is the like the confirmation of the trade. These two are from yesterday, and this one is from today. The blue line is where I would have put my stop loss behind entries, so I'd break even. And my take profit was set right here at these lows, not at these lows. Why? Because we had news and I wanted my take profit to be a bit closer so it gets hit earlier and I don't have to like wait for too long. And yeah, like that's it. I show you guys this one. So yeah, let's get right into the analysis. What did we have? First of all, before market opened, so on the high time frames, first of all, 4-hour chart, we had this fair value gap right here, which got respected. This one, as you can see, it got respected. We tapped into it, respected it. Then on SMT, we had also a fair value gap which got respected with this move right here. And then on the 5-minute, we had this SMT divergence, as you can see. And this was, bro, why does it skip candles, dude? What the fuck? Right here, we had this SMT divergence, and this was pre-market still. No, it wasn't. Okay, no, it wasn't. It was actually right after market open. Was it? Yeah, okay. It was right after market open. We created this bullish SMT, so I was like, okay, my bias is bullish for the day, probably. But what happened next is what kind of confused me into taking a short trade, and I know my mistake, so I know now what I did wrong. And it was, we created this SMT right here, right? And the thing with SMTs is, not all SMTs count. Why? Because some of them are just moves where the leading index is just leading, right? So you gotta watch the whole picture. In this case, we had bullish high time frame, we had a bullish low time frame fair value gap. So this fair value gap right here, bro, what? The SMT, we had a low time frame. We had a high time frame fair value gap, we had a low time frame SMT, and then we had another low time frame SMT, which was this one right here, and this was a bearish SMT, right? So what actually was the case in here was, what actually happened right here was Nasdaq was just leading this move upwards, right? And S&P 500 was the lacking index on this one, so it's lagging behind, right? So this SMT, I shouldn't have counted this SMT as a real SMT. This should have just been like, okay, we took out this high and then now we're retracing a bit and we will probably go up again. But I counted this as a real SMT, and that was my mistake. And what happened and what happened next? Bro, what the fuck? Am I tweaking? And what happened next made me enter into a trade. And it was because we disrespected this 2-minute fair value gap right here to the downside, right? Then we retraced to the upside again. And I thought to myself, all right, we have a retrace, we have bearish structure again, with this one, with this move right here. Bang. With this move right here, we went to bearish structure, we retraced. Now I gotta find an entry, and my entry was this candle right here, the first bearish close, or was it? Yeah, it was. So this was my entry right here. Now my stop loss was set somewhere around here, and my take profit was set at these lows. Yeah, something like that. Now the whole problem with this trade is, first of all, the SMT didn't count. This SMT on the upside didn't count. That's basically a mistake. Like, the SMT didn't count. Like, that was basically a mistake. What I should have done was I should have waited for a bullish trade, that I can find a bullish trade. And we eventually found one, because as you can see right here, this still would have counted. So SMT, retrace, change credit upside. What we want. SMT, yeah, SMT showing bullish signs. Well, you know, I probably wouldn't have found a bullish trade anyways. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal lows. Yeah. So. Yeah, no, I wouldn't have found a bullish trade anyways. But the whole point would have been, but the whole point is that this trade was wrong because of this SMT that didn't actually count. So let me actually go back. And actually, I also think that I had not enough confluences. So I had this confluence right here. So we had a liquidity sweep. It's the first confluence. And the SMT that was wrong was the second confluence. Then the retrace was the third confluence. Retrace into equilibrium. Retrace into equilibrium. Third confluence. The fourth one was that we disrespected this 2-minute gap right here. And then at this point, like, it was probably just 4 confluence. I mean, I could potentially, like, what I was thinking at that point was that S&P is also showing bearish signs, but that was completely wrong, right? We just swept this high out, right? And there wasn't really much confidence. So the problem with the whole trade was I had not enough confluences, and one of my main confluences was the wrong one and didn't actually count. Yeah, and that's basically all of it for today. I don't know if we can. Oh. Damn. Okay, we can easily trade tomorrow. Or does Trump speak with Xi Jinping? I think Trump talks with the president of China, but I don't know when that is. I gotta check it out. But I'll probably try to trade tomorrow. And yes, sir. That's basically all of it. See you guys in the next one. Go follow my Insta and check out. There's nothing to check out. Don't check out anything. Yeah, and that's basically it. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.